Dear students, I'm a teacher present before you in an offline class for social science. I am from Government Girls High School, Wilgam. These days, the topic that I'm discussing with you as per your syllabus, that is from the geography part of your subject, industries of Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh. In previous lessons, we have discussed many things regarding this. This time, we are going to discuss the tourism industry of Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh. I will tell you the basic information about this. I hope that you will be paying keen attention and taking the due benefit from these classes. Tourism industry is known as the backbone of the economy of Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh. The wonderful valleys, snowy peaks, lakes and springs attracts people. These areas provide opportunities for trekking, skiing, mountaineering, and other sports, etc. Across these UTs, several hotels are fast growing up. These tourist places also provide great employment facilities, mainly in hospitality sector. This way, we came to know that because of the natural beauty of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, that is God-given beauty, God-given natural these resources are things that attract the people worldwide. Those natural things are present in these UTs. I mean the UTs of Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh. Wherever we go, there is natural beauty, there is natural attraction, there are forests, springs, pastures, lakes, rivers, snow covered peaks of mountains, there are gardens. Almost everything that determines this region of land on the surface of earth as the paradise of the earth is present over here. So the tourism sector is the backbone, is the very important sector of these union territories. I think this is sufficient for the basic information, for the required information that you need at this stage as per your syllabus. You can add more things to it because it's yours UT, and you know things. You may have gone on picnics, excursions, you may have seen things, and the area where you live, dear students, that is also a part of it. Everything of Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh is important in respect of tourism. It's beautiful. It is blessed with natural beauty by the Almighty. This was something that I shared with you about the tourism industries of Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh. Inshallah, in next classes we'll be discussing more related things, necessary things under this topic. Till then, goodbye. Take care of your health, of your around environment, of others, and take care of your career. Try to enrich your treasury of knowledge and try to prepare yourselves for the forthcoming examination, hoping you a successful life, a bright future, and a nice day ahead. Thanks.